So this is a quick look at the Homdox CS5200 chainsaw. Before I get to that, I want to show you what's included. Of course, you got your operator's manual. You've got your tool bag with the following tools: flathead screwdriver, 2 Allen's wrenches, your chainsaw wrench, and then a chain sharpener. Of course, the saw itself comes with the 20-inch bar with the actual chain. And lastly, you've got your container for mixing. And this chainsaw operates on a slightly rich oil to fuel ratio. It operates on a 25:1, though it's recommended the first 20 hours or so to operate it on a 20:1 ratio. So this here helps you mix that, because I don't know of any others that operate on that mix. This here is the chainsaw itself, and it comes with a guard. And this chainsaw, you can put a bar, you can put an 18-inch bar, a 20-inch bar, or a 22-inch bar. Of course, this comes with the 20-inch. So this is 52 cc's. It's a 2-stroke engine, of course, so you want to make sure you buy 2 cycle engine oil. And you also obviously want your bar and chain lubricant. So its idle speed is 2,800 revolutions a minute. So anyway, that's a quick look at it. You've got your brake on it. And most of this stuff is pretty standard on a chainsaw. Here's where you put in your chain and bar lubricant. Here's your fuel mix. You've got your pull starter. You can hold in your start there with that. You've got your choke, and then it's off now. You can put it on run, obviously, to start it. So anyways, that's a quick look at it. And when this comes, you do have to install the bar chain as well as the teeth here. And the teeth are really easy, and really the bar chain is too. But operator's manual is pretty, it's well written. The pictures aren't the best, but it is well written. So with that, I'll mix some fuel up and show you how it works. So this is a cold start. The first thing I'm going to do is flip it on, and then push that in, push the choke out, and all I got to do is push the choke in.